At this point in time, we need to find strength in our past. We need to connect to build a future. And we need to extend our reality. My name is Tobias Falk with the DSV SU, the Department of Computer and Systems Science at the Stockholm University. So, what is Prompter and our research about? This will be a demo of a prototype of an extended reality experience connecting users over a distance. You see a virtual reality user in VR and an AR user on a 5G phone, as well as a PC user on a laptop, meeting up in front of the Royal Dramatic Theatre, as well as in front of a virtual version of the same place. You hear actor Johan Holmberg reading a dream play by August Strindberg.
En blandning av minnen, upplevelser, fria påhitt, orimligheter, improvisationer.
This work is based on two long and ongoing collaborations that now intersect. The Atlantis group at Ericsson and DSV SU have been in a long discussion about how to approach and develop XR, extended reality, for the new 5G landscape. XR means any kind of media or visualized data overlaid on reality. The Royal Dramatic Theatre, the national stage of Sweden, and DSV SU have been exploring how new media and game mechanics could enhance audience participation and also reach out and include people who can't or won't go to the theatre.
Jag sjunker. Jag kan inte andas. Det är inte luft utan det är rök och vatten.
What problems are we solving? Well, us humans, we are social beings, and the pandemic has separated us from each other. In this research, we look at new ways to connect and share an experience over a distance, in this case by creating a social experience connected to our cultural heritage. So we're using interactive media as a social media, but also connected to a place and a virtual version of that place. This should be inclusive and not specified to expensive or particular equipment. Anyone should be able to use this. You might also say that we turn a place into social media. There are many ways to explore this further, since this system might turn any place or experience into a shared and immersive experience. It's not just a photo on social media, but a moment we can share in space and time. Like this, with actress Lena Endre, also reading from a dream play by August Strindberg.
För närvarande i tinget. Går väl an. Men vet du vad som är värre än allt? Det är att skilja makar. Då är det som om det skrek in i jorden och i himlen. Skrek förräderi mot urkraften, mot det godas källa, mot kärleken.
So, how was our research conducted? To cut a long story short, by designing, building and testing. We call it design science, but we realized that this approach was very similar at the university, at Dramaten and also at Ericsson. We start in a theory and explore it through design, but we only know what we do when we actually see it and test it and experience it. The core values in the process have been connection over distance, collaboration in time, new technology like XR and 5G, but inclusive and interactive. We have also been focused on a digitally supported cultural experience connected to our heritage. And we do this in a spatial narrative, distributed physically but also virtually. What is unique about this project? Well, several things might be called unique. This is the first time a VR user, an AR user and a PC user share the same experience. This system was also built to be live streamed, which is also a first. You are now watching a recording, but all this was streamed simultaneously. It's also unique in combining a spatial narrative in a game engine with a spatial narrative in an actual physical location.
Farväl.
We all know we live in dark times. Like August Strindberg told us, it's miserable to be human.
Det är ett jämmer att vara människa.
But Strindberg also told us that the dreamer will rise above it all. So let's connect. Let's extend reality and dream together. This project has been initiated by Uno Fors. It's been led by Theo Kanter and myself, and the system was built by Jonas Littell, Robert Södergren and Jonathan Rabbit. The work at the Royal Dramatic Theatre was led by Helena Hammarskjöld and by Gunilla Berntsson at the Atlantis Group at Ericsson. Thanks for watching.